Bitcoin is a digital asset that operates on a decentralized network and is not controlled by any government, bank, or single institution. Over the years, it has evolved from a simple peer-to-peer payment idea into one of the most discussed financial instruments in the world. One of the main reasons Bitcoin attracts so much attention is its price behavior. The price of Bitcoin moves frequently and sometimes dramatically, which leads many people to ask why the market rises, why it falls, and how future prices might be estimated. Bitcoin price prediction is closely connected to market behavior. The Bitcoin market is driven largely by demand and supply. When many buyers enter the market and sellers are limited, prices tend to increase. When fear spreads and more holders decide to sell, prices usually decline. This constant interaction between buyers and sellers creates volatility, which is a natural characteristic of Bitcoin. Market trends are often influenced by global economic conditions. During times of economic uncertainty, inflation, or weakness in traditional financial systems, Bitcoin is sometimes viewed as an alternative store of value. In such periods, demand may rise as investors seek protection, leading to upward price movement. On the other hand, when economies are stable and traditional investments offer attractive returns, Bitcoin may experience reduced demand, causing prices to slow down or decline. Another important factor behind Bitcoin price movement is investor sentiment. The market is highly sensitive to news, social media discussions, and public opinions. Positive news such as institutional adoption, approval of financial products, or technological improvements often creates optimism and pushes prices upward. Negative news such as government restrictions, exchange failures, or security concerns can quickly create fear and trigger sell-offs. Bitcoin scarcity plays a major role in long-term price expectations. The total supply of Bitcoin is limited, which means new coins enter the market at a decreasing rate over time. This scarcity creates the idea that if demand continues to grow, while supply remains fixed, prices may rise in the long run. Many long-term investors base their expectations on this principle rather than short-term market movements. Price predictions also depend on technical and market analysis. Some analysts study historical price data, trading volume, and market patterns to estimate possible future movements. While these methods can help understand trends, they do not guarantee accuracy. Bitcoin markets can change direction quickly due to unexpected events, making precise predictions difficult. Psychology is another key element in Bitcoin price movement. Fear of missing out can push prices higher during strong rallies, while panic selling can deepen market decline. These emotional reactions often cause prices to move beyond what fundamentals alone would suggest. Understanding this psychological behavior helps explain why Bitcoin can rise or fall sharply within short periods. Regulation also influences Bitcoin price prediction. Supportive regulations can increase trust and encourage adoption, while strict regulations or bans can reduce market confidence. Because different countries approach Bitcoin regulation differently, global price movements often reflect combined reactions from multiple regions. It is important to approach Bitcoin price prediction with realistic expectations. No model or expert can accurately predict future prices with certainty. Bitcoin market is influenced by many interconnected factors that can change at any time. Rather than focusing on exact price targets, understanding market behavior, risk factors, and long-term trends provides a more reliable foundation. In the end, Bitcoin price movement reflects a combination of technology, economics, human behavior, and global events. The market may continue to experience periods of decline, consolidation, and growth. By understanding why the market moves the way it does, readers can develop informed perspectives and avoid relying on unrealistic predictions. Bitcoin remains a developing financial system, and its future price will continue to be shaped by how the world chooses to adopt and interact with it. Have a good time.